Hello students, welcome back to next episode of Mastery in Commerce. In the previous video of accounts of grade 12, we had solved question number 5. So today we are going to solve question number 6 of your NCERT book of the chapter Accounting for Partnership Basic Concepts. We have seen PL appropriation account. We have also seen fixed capital method, fluctuating capital method. Now in this question, they are asking you to prepare PL appropriation account as well as the partner's capital account. So let's proceed. Let's read the question carefully and try to understand what the question is asking. Lokesh and Azad are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3 is to 2 with capitals of rupees 50,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively. So capital of Lokesh is 50,000 and capital of Azad is 30,000 and they are sharing their profit in the ratio 3 is to 2. Interest on capital is agreed to be paid 6% per annum. So interest on capital will be paid to both of them and that will be 6% of their capital amount contributed. Azad is allowed a salary of rupees 2500 per annum. During 2016, the profit prior to the calculation of interest on capital but after charging Azad's salary amounted to rupees 12,500. Now over here in this question, this sentence is the twist. Means in every question they always give you a challenge. So in this question when the profit they have given you, you know that profit is always prior to all the calculations. But over here they have given profit prior to calculation of interest. This is fine, but after charging Azad's salary. So this profit which is given to you is after charging Azad's salary. In the next slide, I will tell you that what working notes you have to work. A provision of 5% of profits is to be made in respect of manager's commission. This is another twist in the question, that out of the profits 5% of commission was given to a manager. So that also we have to record in as an expense. Prepare account showing in the allocation of profit and partner's capital account. So in the next slide, I'll tell you how you will be preparing your working notes. Now you can see here, the first thing which you have to calculate is interest on capital of location Azad. So for Lokesh, 6% of 50,000 will come 3,000 and for Azad, 6% of 30,000 will come 1,800. So 1,800 and 3,000 is the interest on capital. Now profit is given to you 12,500 prior to Azad's salary. So what it will be? 12,500 plus 2,500. So what was actually the profit when until Azad's salary was given? It was 15,000. You know that salary is deducted from the profits whenever we are giving. So it means 12,500 has come after the deduction of the salary of Azad, which is 2,500 given to you in the question. So we will add it back or we will reverse the amount to find out how much was the profit before giving the salary. That is why over here 12,500 plus 2,500 is done to get the profit, which is 15,000. Now it is given that manager's commission was 5% of the profit. So 5% of the profit, now don't calculate 5% of 12,500, it will be wrong. So 5% will be calculated on 15,000, means what was the actual profit in our hands. So it will come 750 rupees. Now here is the format of the PL appropriation account. First we have to prepare PL appropriation account, then we will be making partners capital account. So PL appropriation account, debit side is interest on capital. For location Azad we have done in our working notes. I suggest you that in exams also please make points and always show your calculations clearly so that teacher is able to give you marks wherever possible. So working notes when you are showing, it shows that you have calculated properly. So interest on capital for location Azad, which we did in the previous slide, is 3,000 and 1,800. Azad's salary is given to us 2,500 per annum. Then the credit side you see the PL account which I have written, which is prior to Azad's salary. This is important because in question they have given you after charging Azad's salary. So we have got 15,000 of which working we have shown in our working notes. So this is very important to show that from where you got your 15,000. Then manager's commission is 750, which we got 5% of 15,000, which is 750. Now we find the balancing figure. this is 6950, which is divided between both the partners. It is a profit in this case. So profit is transferred to capital account. We will be transferring this profit from PL appropriation to the capital account of the partners, and this profit is distributed in the ratio which is given in the question, that is 3 is to 2. So 6950 into 3 upon 5 and 6950 into 2 upon 5. So this is how these two amounts we have got for the profit. Now here is the capital account. In this, date column is not there because space was not sufficient. So you just make the date column, although dates are not given in the question. So over here, the balance of the capital of both the partners, Lokesh and Azad, we write in the credit side. You all know that capital account has a credit balance. So of Lokesh it is 50,000, of Azad it is 30,000. Then interest on capital is also written on the credit side, which is 3,000 and 1,800. Then salary which is given to the employees is 2,500. Only Azad is getting that. So we will write only in the Azad's column. Then the profit which is distributed to both the partners is written on the credit side, which is 4170 and 2780. I will repeat again. In the capital account, credit side shows the income of the partners and the debit side shows the expense of the partners. So partners are going to get interest on capital. One partner is getting salary. Then third transaction is the profit which is given to the partners. So it is their income side, or everywhere from wherever they are getting the income, it is written over there. Then we calculate, because nothing is to be written on the debit side, there are no expense or losses incurred by the partners, so that is not, anything is not written on the debit side. So this total of Lokesh credit side and Azad's capital side, this credit side, we write over there in the debit side. So the total comes to 57170 and 37080. I hope this question was clear to every one of you. I request you that working notes which I have made point wise you also make, and after understanding this question close your this PPT and try to solve the question on your own. This kind of questions are very much seen in exams. They give you one or the other manager's commission, or they give you the this profit calculation. These kind of questions are very frequent in exam. So we will meet again in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.